I could ever turn back time and do it all again, you know that I would, you know that I would. And if I could live it every night and do it all again, you know that I would, you know I would. You and I loved so softly like.
Okay, good morning! Second day ng tour natin today, and for today, we're doing the East and North and East Jeju tour. So, kahapon, ang ginawa natin is yung South and West Jeju tour. Tapos, ngayon naman is North and East. So, ganun siya. Kung hindi kayo mag-DIY, better if i-divide nyo yung tour ninyo into, sakto may map, di ba? So, kahapon dito tayo sa South and West. Dito naman tayo ngayon sa North and East. So, dun sa itinerary, medyo, mas konti yung pupuntahan ngayon. Pero ang gusto ko dito is yung Huenyo. Titignan yung mga Huenyo. Tapos yung Sunrise Cliff, yun yung maganda dito sa tour na to. Kahapon actually, anong tawag nito? Ang ganda ng tour, ang daming magandang napuntahan. So, I think so far, kung pipili kayo ng isa lang sa dalawang tour, parang mas i-recommend ko yung South and South and West, Southwest tour. Well, I don't know. Tignan natin pa mamaya kung paano naman itong North and East na tour. Ayan, so binook ulit natin ito sa Klook. And again, kung magbubook kayo sa Klook, you can use my discount code Destinations Klook for extra discount. So, ang meet up point ulit natin is yung Ocean Suites Jeju Hotel. Ayan. And then, yung meet up time nitong North and East, mas late siya. 8:30 yung meet up time. Kahapon is 7:30. Tama ba? 7:30. So, mas late yung ngayon. Ayan. So, kahapon, sobrang mahangin. Ngayon naman is hindi. So, sabi doon sa weather forecast is medyo mas daw ngayon. Mas tolerable yung wind natin. Ay, mukhang may mga nag-aantay ng tour doon. Baka late na ako. Tignan natin. Waiting pa tayo doon sa van natin or sa bus natin. Kasi maunang pick up is yung sa Lotte and then second pick up dito sa Ocean Suites. So around 8:50 na pala yung pick up natin dito. So currently it's 8:35. Pero feeling ko naman parating na sila. Kasi kahapon maaga din kami. Ayan o. May ingay. Yan ang airplane. Ayan. So antay lang tayo dito. Hindi, wala pa naman. Tapos, ang ganda dito pala, may parang jogging path. So, mag-jogging kaya tayo bukas. Charot, wala akong pang-jogging. Ano kayang nito? Yung path, parang masaya din. And day 2 ng tour and front seat ulit tayo. So, si Michael naman yung tour guide natin for today. So, na-pick up na tayo dito sa Ocean Suites and parang konti lang ulit kami. Small group tour lang ulit kasi nga low season ngayon. Pero ayun, we're sitting in front again. Ang gusto ko dito is pwede kasing ma-warm yung seat. Like ito, pwedeng i-warm yung seat. So, pag malamig masyado sa labas, ayan, pwedeng i-warm yung seats. Ayan. Okay, andito na tayo sa first stop which is Hamtok Beach. And ayun, unlike kahapon na sobrang windy, ngayon is medyo mas mahina yung hangin. Pero malamig. Actually, hindi parang 8 degrees Celsius ngayon, pero sobrang lamig kaya sobrang mahangin kaya malamig din. Masakit din yung tama sa balat. Aray ko. Ayun. So, 30 minutes dito sa first stop. Okay lang din kasi parang konti lang naman yung mga pwedeng gawin dito. And, ayun, actually sa tour group ay tatlo lang kami. May dalawang Singaporean lang mag-ina. Tapos, ayun, ako, tatlo lang kami. Small group tour lang talaga. Ayun, so, tignan natin, punta na tayo doon sa kabila. Okay. So,
Cause I got no regrets, looking back, wouldn't trade with nobody else. Cause I got no regrets, looking back on what's left.
sana all may jowa. Charot.
I've wasted
Ay, nako.
time. And if there's nothing left for me, I would go every place I could. I would see every face I should. But I know that I find all the time isn't on my side. And now I'm awake in the middle of the night, wishing I had a little more time, thinking how all the years kept flying by, flying by. I'm awake in the middle of the night, I knew that everything would be alright. And if I knew what the end would feel like, it feels like if I could ever turn back time and do it all again, you know that I would, you know that I would. And if I could live it every night and do it all again, you know that I would, you know I would. 'Cause I got no regrets, no regrets. Looking back, holding straight with nobody else. 'Cause I got no regrets, no regrets. Looking back on what's left, as I would, you know I would.
Okay, so andito ako sa Hanyo Hanyo Museum dito sa Jeju. Second stop to dun sa tour natin. And, ayan. So, interesting din, lalo na yung yung goggles nila. Nakita ko yung goggles nila before yung mga modern kasi nag-free dive din naman tayo minsan. Pero yung gamit natin is yung modern na goggles. Pero nakita ko yung goggles na gamit nila. Parang metal. Sabi ko, in-imagine ko, paano sila nakakapag-dive na metals yung gamit. Pero, ayan. So, all about wenyo, yung mga divers dito. And you really learn a lot about yung historical na power ng women dito sa Jeju. Na aside sa mas dominant nga yung women in terms of population. And so, sa din daw, parang mas dominant yung mga babae dito sa Jeju. Ayan. So, again, this is part of our North and East tour. Okay, so, eto, third stop natin. Parang inuna muna namin ito. Kasi may enough time naman kami. This is Sopkokoji. Para siyang ocean view. Yung similar dun sa kahapon. So, parang cliff din siya. Tapos may walk path dito. Ganda din. Feeling ko maganda din dito pag spring. Kasi ang daming flowers. Ngayon ay madami ng flowers. Pero mas madami yata pag spring. Ayan siya. May lighthouse. Ang alam ko yung lighthouse, yung parang main attraction dito. Pero, yan. Look at the view. Cliffside din siya.
I don't even notice the rain. I'm on fire whenever you call. I can feel the love in my veins. Take me higher. I'm starting to fall. I don't even notice the pain. In so deep, I can't feel the ground. I've got every reason to stay, yours to keep, lost and then found. Hold on tight to every moment. Hold on to me. Your hands show me all your colors. Oh yeah, show me your light. Ooh, when you feel lost in the dark, I'm here, no, we're never apart. 'Cause I found shelter in your arms. I found forever here in your heart. And it seems heaven's not so far. 'Cause I feel home wherever you are. I feel home, feel it wherever you are.
Can I swim? So ito yung challenge natin. Sabi kasi, we only have 30 minutes para umakyat dun sa peak. And then para makababa for the show. The show starts, yung Henyo show starts at 1 p.m. And ayun, akyatin natin yung peak doon. 30 minutes, kaya ba? Shit. Kaya natin yan.
Ticket,
Okay.
change. Entry light course, okay?
Thank
light
you.
course.
Okay. Light cross? What? So, kailangan natin ng ticket papunta dun sa peak. And ano lang naman siya? 5,001. Okay. So, 15 minutes. Let's go. Let's do this. Ginusto natin to. Yan, let's make madali. Kasi naman, bagal-bagal nilang makalakad kanina. Edi, I'll have more time sana to reach the peak. Pero yan, shucks, wala naman din akong tubig. Tapos aakyat tayo ng bundok. Sige, yung aakyatin, ah. So, tignan natin kung kayanin natin. Buti na lang malamig. Kaya hindi tayo siguro masyadong pagpapawisan, mapapagod. Ha? Pero hiningal na ako. Ay, shucks. So, dito sa peak, nakita ko, may free trail, tas may summit trail. Itong summit trail, yung may bayad na 5,001. Yung free trail, free lang siya. And then, saan kaya yung ano? Saan yung when you show? Diba? Para alam sana natin yung pupuntahan natin mamaya. Anyway, hindi muna ako masyadong magsasalita para hindi ako masyadong hinihingalin. Okay? Ayan. Oh, ano na dito? Sementado na yung path. Malayo pa. Mukhang may store. Bili tayo ng water. Okay, time check. 5 minutes and malapit na tayo sa peak. O, diba? Sabi 15 minutes daw. Binilisan masyado. 8 minutes and wala pa tayo sa peak. Yeah. 12:38. Nag-start tayo ng 12:30. Oh. Okay. Shota. Taas pa. Yan pa. I go. Yan o. Tignan niyo yung inakyat natin. Shucks. Layo pa yata. Sakit na ng legs ko. Leg day pala to. Shit. Ito na. Malapit na.
I can see it all in your eyes. I feel home whenever you're close. Locked into a moment in time. You should know you're never alone. Take the wrongs and make them alright. You've got me whenever you're broken. I can write our names in the sky, falling free.
Okay, so done na tayo sa summit. So, baba na tayo. We have 15 minutes also to go down. Feeling ko naman mas madali na lang yung pababa.
Forever here in your heart, and it seems heaven's not so far. 'Cause I feel home wherever you are. I feel home, feel it wherever you are.
It's 12:52 and nandito na tayo sa baba. Pero hindi pa as in sa super baba. Ang kailangan nating hanapin is yung kung saan yung Henyo show. Kasi baka mawala tayo. And hindi natin maabutan. Pero feeling ko, ay doon nga. Yun o, may ano doon sa baba. So I think I'll make it on time. Yun. Yan na. So, feeling ko dyan naman yung Henyo show. And it's almost 2 p.m. and wait na lang natin yung Henyo show. So, may mga nakapwesto na doon and may mga nakapwesto na doon to shoot. Siyempre, konti pa naman. So, di pa ako makipag-agawan. So, tapos na yung Henyo show. And gusto ko sana mag-picture dito sa may rock na to. Yan yung background, oh. Screenshot ko na lang. Kaso kasi, against the light, I mean, hindi maganda yung angle ng ilaw. Kaya parang hindi masyadong nakikita yung features ng rock. Pero maganda din sana na makuha yung ganun. Okay, so, balik na tayo sa sasakyan. Okay na siguro yan. And ito yung last stop, yung Korean Folk Village. Last stop ng North and East Tour. So, okay naman. More on learning tour din. So, makikita nyo kung paano nabibuild yung mga traditional houses dito sa Jeju and kung paano sila mabuhay noon. And, ayan, parang ito kasi yung capital ng eastern side ng Jeju. So, parang ito yung city nila, capital city nila noon. So, makikita nyo talaga ang daming bato dito, diba, sa Jeju Island. And yan yung mga ginagamit nila for their houses and all. Ayan. So that concludes our North and East tour dito sa Jeju. So, final note. Final note. Ayan. So, parang, ayan, for me, mas madami yung, parang mas trendy, kumbaga, yung mga pupuntahan sa South and West. So, if you only have one day to do the tour here in Jeju, I recommend yung South and West tour dun sa Kluk. But if you have 2 days, worth it din naman na puntahan yung eto din, North and East. Lalo na yung sa lalo na yung isang hinike ko na mabilis. Yun, worth it din yan. Lalo na kung ayan, if you're into that type of activity or if you're fit enough naman, worth it din puntahan yun. I think maganda siya especially kung sa spring kasi iba yung color ng part na yan. Tapos, ayan, you'll get to witness din yung, yung mga Henyo show. Although it's pretty basic, pero at least you'll have a close encounter din naman sa mga Henyo. Ayan. So, overall, okay din naman. Again, if you're booking your tours here on Jeju, you can use my code DESTINATIONS to look for extra savings. So, ang pick up ng mga tours na to is dun sa may Jeju City. So, I recommend staying then near the city or yung isang pick-up point kasi is sa Ocean Suites, Jeju, which is near yung Dongmun Market. So if you can find a hotel or an accommodation near that, okay din naman. Yung isang accommodation is near yung Lotte Mall. So you can go there also. Or you can stay in that area. So, yun lang. That would conclude our second day here in Jeju. And I don't know kung makapag-vlog pa ako kasi makapag-vlog pa ako ng isa pang Jeju content kasi tomorrow we will be going na sa Busan. So, abangan nyo naman yung next vlog natin which is yung Busan. Ayan, bye guys! Don't forget to follow and don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if magparamdam naman kayo. Bye bye!